Exercise 120. Ready? Start. The chairman, in moving the adoption of the report and accounts, dealing first with the accounts of the local holding company, said it would be noted that the amount paid up on the shares was increased by 42,560 franc or 3,546 pounds. This was to keep pace with the increase in capital costs of the property, including extensions during recent years. Sundry creditors at 3,507 pounds included 2,583 pounds for Java income tax reserve, of which 1,666 pounds appearing to the debit of profit and loss account was additional for the year, besides bonus due to the staff and some trade items. The outlay on capital account 3,714 pounds included 2,746 pounds for a new drying installation, smoke house, etc. The balance being for upkeep of the immature area. They had now a monthly capacity of 15,000 pounds sheet. The policy of the board being to increase their output of this quality to 50% of the estate's whole output. Their cash assets in London and Java amounted to 16,712 pounds, an increase of nearly 5,000 pounds. The crop was 4,49,000 pounds as compared with the restricted crop of 2,30,473 pounds in the preceding year, and against an estimate of 3,94,000 pounds, despite the fact that for the last 2 months of the year they were on a restricted basis. The average net selling price was a fraction under 1 shilling 1 denarius against 1 shilling 4.35 denarians last year, thanks, however, to a reduction from 1 shilling 1.80 denarians to 8.92 denarians in the total costs. The net profit per pound was 4.02 denarians or 1.5 denarians above the previous year. It was largely owing to this reduction in cost that they had made a net profit of £8,843 over 12% on the issued capital. He thought the shareholders would agree that this was a pleasing result. Stop.